All right, these are my trading notes for the 3rd of August, 2026, and the market is very to open in about 15 minutes, but excuse me, I feel if it dumps below this, or I mean, if it breaks below that low right there, to me, it looks like it's going down. I went ahead and put an order in just to, but on 1 micro, just to see, kind of play with it a little bit. Um, we'll see what happens. This is, like I said, these are my trading notes, so I'm trying out something new on this one, and it's an evaluation account, so I'm not really worried too much about it. But anyway, anything can happen right now before pre-market. So I mean, once the bell opens, then it'll do what it wants to do. So right now, it's just kind of playing around. I think I'm gonna go on and take the order off. That way, like I said, it was only 1 micro, but what the heck? Let's just not develop any bad habits. So I'll freeze it right now and come back after you open. Okay, so this is the 5 minute on the NQ, and this is the 20 moving average. This is the VWAP, so it's below VWAP, but it's above the 20. So it's just this is kind of a spaghetti mess right here. This one I mean right here. I like to see it more spread out. Let's look at the 15-minute because I like to see the 15 kind of showing the way, and right now it is still bearish. I think if it breaks below that low, it's probably going down. But the market still has about 7 minutes before it opens. And before I would get bullish, I want this RSI to be above this red line, which is the 50. And this DMI, I want the blue above the red before I go long. So right now I'm still bearish bias. All right, here's another thing I'm looking at really closely is this is the ES and this is the NQ. The ES is dropping. I wish the market was open. I'd have an order in right there below that low to sell it short. But right now I just want to wait for the open to happen. So, but it's looking like it wants to go down. And real quick, I just wanted to point this out. It did break the low, which I thought it was going to. Market still hadn't opened yet, and it went down. Would have given me 40 points if I wanted to take it. So just a blip right here. Okay, we're still in the 15-minute range. These 3 candles right here. That's the high of the 15-minute ORB, and we have news coming out in 10 minutes. And it's red folder news, so I got to stay out until after at least 1 minute after. So we'll see what happens. I wanted to keep a buy stop above that high, but right now I just have to hold tight. Yeah, so this is forexfactory.com with their calendar, and here's the news that's coming out. It's ISM manufacturing PMI. So like I said, I'm just gonna hold tight. All right, so I waited till after. This was the 15-minute ORB. It broke out high, and I was going to get in on a bull flag. This 5-minute chart, but I didn't feel real good about that. I was looking at the 15-minute too, and right now everything is all the confluences are bullish, but my others were. This was bullish. This was definitely bullish, and this was coming into the bull, breaking above that high right there. It was coming together right at the break of that red candle. And that's what I like to use, at least one opposite candle pullback. So you want the white, red, white above. So I bought 10 micros above that high right there and rode it up into right around 99. I was down, at one point I was down like 1,100 bucks. And now I'm up 100 for the day, which I'm pretty glad of that because I traded a bunch of stupid pre-market stuff and got jerked around a little bit. So let me show this real quick here. So here's the first breakout. I didn't take it because the news was coming out. And then, where is it showing? Should be showing my, oh, there they are. So above this high, those blue triangles right here where this lighting up, I bought 10 micros here. and started fading up in here. The first one up around 79. So I got in at 50, or was it 630.75, and then started getting out at 79. So that was 50 points. I think it is. I didn't really do the math. But then I started, and it's still going on up. I just wanted to get out with a profit after being down like that. So I'm happy altogether, all in all, and everything is still looking very bullish. But I think I'm done for the day. So if you've watched this far, like I said, these are my trading notes, and hope you had a good trading day. I just feel good to have a green day. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.